Yo, hello. Sorry for the late stream, but hello, welcome to the stream. I am SolarLune. I'm an independent game developer and musician, creator of Master Plan, and creator of I Know Who I Am, which is a game I'm making in Godot. Godot. It is a 2D adventure game where you play an alien who comes to Earth and is investigating humanity to see if they are redeemable, essentially. If like if they're an advanced civilization, essentially. That's the idea. That's the idea. So yes, hello, welcome to the stream. Let me get some music going and then we'll get cracking. It's so loud. Okay, yeah, let's go with this. All right, boop. Wow, wow. Oh, Baz Bazarino says, yo, hello, welcome to the stream. All right, so this is the game, so we'll be cranking away on it. Good to see you streaming. Thanks. Yeah, good to be alive. Good to be alive. This is where I was working. Okay. All right, so let me think here. Let me just think about this a little bit. Actually, before I forget, let me do a couple things. On this map, I want to just get a little bit of grime here. There we go. All right, so yeah. I'm not sure if I'm gonna delete all of the effects I have here. I kind of feel like I might because I just don't care for them anymore. I kind of feel like it's already visually busy enough where you don't need anything else to make it even more busy and hard to see. So I might just remove all of the effects, all of the visual effects that are there. Okay, so cool. This is working. We have our area, yeah, our character and stuff. We can run around. That's all well and good. We can close this out. We can go back over here. This solid actually should be like, yeah. And this should be. Save. Now, what we'll do, yeah, we want to have a guy who comes in and harasses this convenience store clerk. I'm not sure if I animated him. I don't remember. Did I? I think I started on it, but I don't remember if I actually finished it. Okay, yeah, I did. Honestly, I probably am just gonna be like, just take this, whoops, take these two and duplicate them. This will be end time, this will be the start time. Something like that. Configure creator. Let me get a shortcut for this. Play. Shift space. Okay, that works. All right. Yeah. So I'm just gonna flip this guy's body essentially. Does it just flip this one? No. Okay. Okay, so if you have it selected, we'll do that. All right, layer, layer, transform mirror layer. Okay. All right, so boom, boom, yeah. I mean, at low speeds, I feel like this will be fine. At maybe like 25. I'm not sure what speed percentage it is, considering like shouldn't there be like a FPS of some description? Let's see. You're killing me. Oh, there's an animation docker. Okay. Docker's animation. Animation curves is. Nah, that doesn't seem to be it. Animation. Onion skins. Save this. I thought for sure. Oh, that's what I do. Okay, onion skins are here, but there's no animation. Docker. Okay, well, I'm looking around to try to find it. Let me at least show this so people can see what I'm doing. Let's see. Okay. Frustrating. Set FPS for different times. This is weird. I can't seem to find any information on setting the frame rate, which is weird. Timeline, animation, and key. Yeah, there's no animation docker. Which is this one. It's weird. All right, well, I'm not sure where. It's weird. Like it's describing something that's just straight up not here. All right. Well. Oh, that, okay. All right. I guess we'll do 30 then. Yeah, that's fine. All right. So this is working. Okay. All right, that's fine. We'll just call this fine enough. Good enough. And we will export it using the tool, which is export a sprite sheet. I made a slight alteration to this to allow you to export the sprite sheet as the name. So instead of being like you have to type it in, it just uses the created file name goon.kra in this case. So it's going to be goon.png. So we will export it. There we go. Now we'll go back to Godot. And we'll get started. So the idea here let me think here. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. Because I can make it. I guess I will. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's do it this way. So we will take. Let's see. Yeah, we'll take one of these club goers, and this will be the goon. Which is this sprite. We'll use this sprite instead. It's got this. Let's see, animation. Let's be a little wider and taller. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see. Save this. So now that's fine. So now, forgive me for having bed hair here. I woke up and I woke up not hours late, but well, usually I get up a little earlier, and I just did not get up earlier. I'm like, what? Boon D says hello, hello, welcome to the stream. All right. So, what we're gonna do here, we just need to animate this dude, which we'll do here. All right, so this is gonna be, let's rename this animation, sand. Jacob says, how's Ikuya coming along? Scene looks great. Thank you. It's coming along pretty well. Just have to stick with it. Actually, fine. Move this back. There we go. This will be idle up will be the default. Okay. Fall down. I think I want to like, yeah, do something like that. It kind of emphasizes his size and weight. Cool. We need to make an in-between frame, but this looks pretty good. That looks pretty bad. Pretty good actually. I was gonna say pretty bad. That looks pretty good actually. So we'll save this. We'll grab these, move them over here. So, okay. All right. So the idea here is that we will be making an in-between frame for this guy. So boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Can we get onion skinning? May I have onion skinning? May I have onion skinning? Can I have onion skinning? May I have onion skinning? Can I have onion skinning? Let's see. How do I have onions? How do I turn on onion skinning? Bundi says, "Oh, are you trying out Krita?" Yep. Yeah, I am. Because I just got tired of a spray not like allowing me to undo multiple times. I'm not sure what it is. No one else seems to have the same problem, so I'm not sure if it's just my own distribution here on Linux or if it's. I don't think it's that, but I don't know what. I don't know what the issue is. Basically, I can't hold Control Z or Control Shift Z to undo or redo repeatedly. It just doesn't do it. So I'm just like, all right, well, if it's not gonna work, then that's fine. I'll, use other tools. And Krita is also good because, by getting more familiar with it, that'll make it easier for me to do high definition art or something like that, because I'll need probably to do that at some point. So Krita is good for that as well. Do I need to have the onion skin Docker? Tint? Okay, so this is what they're describing. The light bulb icon. Oh, okay. Okay, that's useful. That's useful. Cool, cool. So then we probably want to, yeah, this helps us out. All right, that's cool. Because this is a crossing frame, right? So it's going from here to there. Boom, boom. So right leg forward, right leg down, and then left leg forward. So at this point, the right leg is like maybe here. Left leg is swinging. Something like this. Left arm is... Right arm's coming up. Right, yeah. Left arm is also here, but not as pronounced. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, cool. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, okay. Because this is the back leg. Excuse me. I think we also want this to be kind of like in a neutral position. Right, because, yeah, exactly. All right, good. This is interesting. Yeah. That kind of works, yeah. That interval frame doesn't even have to be that good. It just has to be there. Yeah, that's pretty good, I think. Yeah, that's pretty good. Cool. So now this crossing frame, we can just actually just go like bonk. There we go. That's actually really good. Like he do be like walking. That's kind of crazy. Okay, we'll go with this. So it's easier to copy stuff. Image, flip, layer, transform, mirror. Might be good to make a shortcut for that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Well, I think that's actually pretty good. All right, so now we have what? Okay. What's up with this sprite sheet, dude? Like, why is it blank in the first slot? What kind of a madman? All right, I don't. What? Who did this? All right. Well, I guess we're fixing this. I guess. I suppose. Python. All right, so let's see here. So how does it actually generate the sprite sheet? Let's see. Horizontally, see the default value rows, column, start, and skip. Oh, does it? First frame of the animation timeline included to be added to the default is start. First frame after the start frame of the animation docker. Okay. Wait, did it give all of the frames? No, okay. So let's start down here. Okay, well, can't do that. All right, well, that'll have to do. Yeah, this is not as good as Sprite's animation system, but it's not like unusable. But it's not as like comfortable. And I don't think it's a matter of like, oh, it's just you're not used to it. Like, I do think I'm not used to it, but I also think that the animation system for Krita is just different compared to the animation system for Sprite. I feel like this should be something like that. Is this not getting altered? Am I going crazy? What? Where's the rest of the animation? Hmm? This is weird. It's not getting that first frame. I guess that must be what that blank space is. It's just not getting that first frame. All right, well, let's reload Krita real quick. The blank spot is for when he activates his invisibility powers. I don't know if I guess I said that or noticed that, but I forgot if I did. Anyway. All right, now it's there. That's weird. Very odd. So there is a bug there in some way. Okay, well, I'll fix it once I have it happen again. I'm not sure how to even reproduce it. Actually, I might have an idea of how to reproduce it. Is this, like if I say this is the start time, save, export. Now it's blank. I say this is the start time, save, export. Now it's not there. Okay. Start, start. Let's see. Minimum is let's see. -1. Sorry, set to end. Well, not frame or frame. If layer.animated frame equals 0, well, not layer.has keyframe at time, frame or frame is greater than has keyframe at time. Or frame is greater than doc full clip range in time. Let's see. Let me see. This might be part of the issue then. Because if self-start is -1, because like self.start is -1, you change the start to be, let's say, like this, right? 1. Then when you set it back to here, self.start is 1, now it's 0. Start. So it's -1. I think this is the problem. I think like once you set this, like if you do this and then export it, then we get this. Never mind. Sometimes it just doesn't even export anything. That's crazy. Or I guess it always does. Maybe it's just my file manager needs to refresh. Yeah, sometimes it's not exporting the entire thing. Let's see. Yeah, why is it exporting everything? Yeah, I think I see what's going on. Oh wait, default is first keyframe after the start frame of the animation docker. Oh, this is just busted, dude. I don't know what this guy. It's well, okay. I'm not gonna attribute this guy who programmed this because this is a pretty complicated script. I'm not gonna attribute like him being bad or anything like that. Like this is still really good. It's just there's parts of this that are just weird. Sorry, time. I think, can you do like a, I feel like I remember there being like a group, an animation group thing, like an Ace Sprite. You know what? Let's not get, let's not get, oh man, I hope I actually didn't like screw myself over. Let's not get caught up in the weeds. I'll see if I can go to Ace Sprite as well, because I don't want to just get caught up on fixing this when it's completely unnecessary. No, that's fine. I did not edit it. Let's see. Not sure if this will work, but it's been okay until now. I just don't know why I can't undo multiple times or redo multiple times. It's really weird. Yeah. What? Yeah, I don't know why it's, you can't undo or redo multiple times. It's so weird. Here's what we're gonna do. Is there like a undo? Thing? Let's see. I feel like is there not an undo like history thing? I thought there kind of was, because I would settle for that. I mean, like, I would like it to be docked, but this is fine. It's usable. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's close this. Don't save. Open file. Not sure if I can do it this way, but we'll see. Let's see. Sprite file. Import sprite sheet. By rows. Padding. Import. Okay, that's my, yeah. Excuse me. Okay. All right. Well, this will work. This will work. We can work with this. Yeah, I don't use that. Okay. Okay, sprite. Okay. Yes, override. All right. Cool. All right. So this is gonna be a new tag. This is gonna be walk down. We have. Oh wait, what happened to the? Because it didn't export the first. Oh my gosh. Krita, dude. Well, it's not even Krita. It's just this plugin doesn't do what it needs to do. Keyframe, or rather. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. This one. So up, down. Okay, so this is walk down. This is just stand down. This is up, stand up. Okay. Excellent, excellent. Save. Actually save this as goo, not a sprite. There we go. Okay. Better, 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 better. Down, idle up. All right, so now we finally are back to where we were. We can just do it like this. All right, so oops. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's it. That's what we're looking for. All right. What is? Yeah, okay. We'll need to import that sprite sheet as well. Oh, good. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, I need one like a sprite where she's Actually, I'm not sure how he would fit through the door now that I think about it. I guess it's fine. But I'm wondering, like, I'm trying to figure out how I can... Trying to figure out how I can, like, push her. Or if I should push her, rather. She should be more... Yeah, something like that. Alright, I guess this is fine. For now, let's just get the idea down. Let's see, I don't remember how I did... Actually, let me check. Yeah, I don't remember how I did things where like the trigger happens as soon as you enter. I remember. Let's see. Let's have one. We'll see. I'm getting a phone call. Hold on just a second. All right, we back. All right, let me get some more music. I need more chill music. My mind is getting flooded a little bit. This works. All right. So yeah, I don't remember how I did this, but I know I did this in some way. Let's see, where's his phone now? Where's Oh, did I just do it like... Ah. That's how I did it. Okay, cool. That makes sense. That's the way to do it. Wish this didn't. There we go. Trigger on start. There we go. Okay. I need this open anymore. Let's see. Okay, don't mistake our... I don't know. Let's try something like that. I don't know. Okay, something like that. So, this should generally work, right? On enter? Okay. Oh, I could just do it like this. This is even better. I can put it on the goon, delete this, make this goon, and then if then, what is it? If then, yeah. If then, global stop flag equals. Oh, this. Oh, there we go. Okay. What's the thing is called? I don't remember the name of the thing that I use here. It's not name tag. It's not. What's the thing? Jump. It allows you to jump to a marker. Okay, markers will be let's see, is it die? Yeah, die. Okay. Cool. Alright, this should work. I think. Cool. Alright, so there's a couple things we need to do here. One is Been a while since I've heard this song. It's a nice one. Oh, thank you. Okay, so this should work, I believe. Oh, that's right. Before I forget, let's give it a little bit of a wait here. Yeah. Okay, so that works. Now if we leave and... Oh, I put a thing here. Now if we leave and come back, it should be where he will be gone. It did not work. Oh, because we forgot to set the flag. Okay. There we go. There we go. Cool. Very nice. So now we need to animate this dude leaving, which I will save. I'll do this probably with an animation player. That should be fine. Because that allows us to be a little bit more... a little bit better, I think. Maybe? We'll try it. We'll see how this works. Save, open an editor. Editable children. Alright, I'm just gonna do this way because I'm like having trouble. Okay, so that does work. Feels like it could be a little faster on the part. Yeah, something like that. Cool. We can also make this a little bit more interesting. Let's get some choreography in here. Let's get the player here. Where's he at? Okay, so he's got idle, he's got walking, he's got sitting, he's got dabbing, he has celebrating. We will make one frame where he's like pushed back. All right, that's a good stumble. I think a good stumble frame. None of the keys repeat. It's interesting. So I can't hold left or right to like advance. It's kind of annoying. That's pretty good, I think. It gives the effect of like he's getting kicked back, right? Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, he dabbing. Animation player. Okay. New. This will be that. Okay. Maybe only lasts like 0.4. I'm not. Let me see. I'm not sure what sound should play here, so let's see if we can get one. Audio, game audio. Sounds. Let's see. All right, we'll kick this up to like -10 dB. Nah. I mean, maybe if it was pitched down super high. Nah, I don't think so. No. That can kind of work. I forgot about that sound. I kind of feel like this is the closest thing, but I also don't feel like that's really representative of the sound. But at the same time, it's not that big of a deal. Hmm. Oh, okay. So you can click on stuff and it'll show you the sub resources. Stream script. Oh, I see. So you can jump to them easily. Can you go back? You can. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. That's kind of cool. Don't save. All right, so we will then where's the animation player at? Well, maybe we could just Footstep. Oh, it's playing this. I see. I see. I see. I see. I mean, maybe we should just use this. Maybe we should just like do. Yeah, that's probably enough. We could just do that. Can we copy this? Can we copy? May we copy? We may not copy. We cannot copy. Good enough. Let's go back. We'll add a call method. Footsteps. Add thing. Play. And just do something like that. I guess we could actually also move the sprite back a little bit. Like he got kicked back. That could be cool. So let's do that. We will do this and then move it up. Move it back like -2. There we go. Can we get like a in out, please? Yeah, something like that. That's pretty good. All right, so now when we go over here, we can do like this. Save. We can have the player, so the leave, let's see. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have another animation where we have setup, where we call setup, or another animation called setup, where we will position the player. I think we can do that. We want him to be like specifically, let's say right here ish. That way we can kind of position things. We can kind of know where people are. So once we get here, we can then move the player out of the way, roughly like right here. Where's the player at? Move him over. Oh, that's right. We don't have to do this. We don't have to animate the sprite in this case because we're manually doing it. There we go. Cool, save. Go back over here. We want this animation. So once it's here, player should basically be out of the way. Where's the player? Move him over to the left by like, can we just do like -20? Yeah. Move him up to a little bit. Can this be in out? Yeah. Cool. All right, so then we can also, can we get a animation playback on the player? May I may not. Okay. Editable children. Okay. Animation playback. May I? On his animation player, yes, please. That would like kick back here. And then back to idle down. Oops. Yeah, something like that. Cool. Because then when we go to setup, I'm not sure if this will work, but animation playback, we want the player to then be idle up. Yeah. And then leave, get kicked back. Yeah, exactly. Zadek says, what? I didn't know this was a thing. Didn't know what was a thing. Like you can like animate stuff. Yeah, animation players can trigger animation clips on other animation players, which allows you to actually like do choreography and make things happen, which is cool. So now if this works, I don't think it will, but it might. So if this works, then when we start this, we want to basically play an animation, which is the setup animation, so that we basically know where everything is. think we can just say no. What is play what? Oh, play anim? Is that what it is? Or no, it's just called anim. That's so cool. It would have saved me tons of work. Yeah, it's very, very useful. If I'm like not animating the player. I don't remember if I am or not. Anim, no. Okay, so I think this might work. Let's see if it does. It's not. I think the player is. Did it call setup? Set who? It might not be calling setup. I'm not sure. We'll see in a couple seconds. Leave. No. Wait, finish true. Let's see. Start from beginning. Yeah, I'm not sure this will work, but we'll see. Yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, animation not found, setup, not animation not found, leave. So is it that it's not? Oh, it's because we have two different animation players here. Yeah. All right, so we need to find it. So anim equals get. Can you do this? Can we do this? So it's boom, animate. We'll just do it like this. There we go. Then let's try that. Okay, that worked. The player like turned to face it, so that we can just do like that. Make sure that happens before we. Okay, let's see if this works. All right. Well. This actually works. There's a fly in my room. Well, it's minor, like a fruit fly. Fruit fly. But well. That actually works. That actually works really well. Cool. So what we want to do, we want to make portraits for both of these characters, the goon and the attendant, which we'll do in a couple seconds. Let's also get some music back. I think, yeah, I gotta turn this back down. 42. Okay. All right. So yeah, it's cool. All right. Yeah, let's get portraits. Let's get cracking on some of these portraits. Where's the GUI at? Yeah, I don't remember how this works exactly, so I'm just going to copy one of these and go from there. Also, I wanted to make a slight change with this thing here. Okay. Yeah, okay, we'll go with this. Cool. We also want to actually, that's right, do what we were going to do. We will take the phone man, I suppose, as an example. Oh, it's just a single frame. Well, I'll take XX himself. Oh, did I have old? Yeah, I had old versions. I had old versions of the portrait that I did for the main character. These are like varying levels of good. Like this one isn't bad. It's not like this one. Obviously, these two are just like horrible. This one is just like it looks too normal and also looks too like realistic. I guess this is very haunting. Yeah, much better. Okay, so we will now save this as this is the goon. All right, so with this kind of a style in mind, he's a big dude, right? Let's see. It's a little tough because I'm only using a few colors. Might be helpful if I had more. Well, he's definitely orange. I don't want to Well, I guess I can kind of play with the lighting a little bit. Maybe he's like gray in the light and he turns orange as he gets darker. Or maybe I should just make him gray. I don't know. Let's see. He's such a red. A deep red. What was the key to quickly recolor? I have it set to Shift R, but I'm not sure where the default is in Sprite. I'm not sure. Does it? No. Yeah, it doesn't have the default. It doesn't show what the default is, rather. Yeah. Thanks. No problem. I mean, I can make him paler, but I kind of like how red he is. I kind of like that. Kind of like how like gray it gets around the eyes. Yeah, I kind of like that. That's a little dramatic, overly dramatic, but I think that, or just overly heavy rather. Try something a little different here. Just trying something that's like trying to do like minor changes in skin tone, but it's a little tough to get right. That brow is pretty pronounced. Yeah, I kind of like that. I feel like this kind of works. It's a little not of the same style as the rest of the characters, but it kind of still works. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm sneezing so much, man. Yeah, that kind of works. Yeah, I think that's probably better. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. Like his entire face doesn't fit in frame, which kind of makes him look bigger. So that's probably for the best. And then we'll need another one for the lady. Guess we can just let's see. Let me take a look at her. What does she look like? I'm not sure if this is big enough for her eye. Let me see. I kind of like the idea I had while I was pixeling this of her being turned away, because it fits her character to basically be scared, right? So she shouldn't be looking at you like directly. So then I think I need to maybe readjust this. These proportions are off. I think her eyes are too low. Better. I'm gonna do it later. This is further along. I think it's too, her face is too like short horizontally too. But that's the point, she's supposed to be looking away. Hmm. Better. Let's see, does this even make sense? It kind of does. It kind of works a little bit. Hmm. Yeah, it's kind of getting there. It's kind of getting there. All right, this looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty solid. That there's some emotion in there. Cool. Make sure let's look a little wider. I think that's good. Maybe this part should come out. Yeah, that's a little better. I like that. Didex says, man, all these people look like they live in some sort of half dystopia. That's basically Earth. it's I mean, like, you're not wrong. That's kind of what Earth is in its current state. It's kind of a dystopia. It's getting worse. Yeah, Earth in general is getting worse. But it's always getting worse. So that is a little bit... Wait. That's way too much. Yeah, this is probably fine. What's the game about? Well, basically, you're helping these people with their problems. You're an alien who comes to Earth to... That's too low. Maybe this should just not be as pronounced. Yeah, that's probably for the best. Basically, you're an alien. Maybe we should just do it like that. Yeah, like that. I think that's pretty good. You're an alien who comes to Earth to help people with their problems / investigate Earth. Hold on. I kind of like that. Like, this feels like level. This feels kind of uneasy. No, I'll leave it level. That's fine. She can be level. But yeah, you are an alien who comes to Earth to basically investigate humans to see if they're, like, you know, advanced enough. And in truth, you're coming, or in actuality, you're coming to help people with their problems. So this is kind of like you're coming to investigate humanity, but in doing so, you learn more about the people who live in this town and help them with their various problems. So it's like you're kind of doing both. So it's like an excuse to explore, the town, and an excuse to explore, different environments and stuff. It's kind of like how Yume Nikki, as an example, is a game about going into dreams and stuff. That's the narrative reason why you're doing what you're doing. You go to sleep in the game and you dream. But in truth, it's a vehicle to explore these different, environments and these different characters in the dreams. And so it's kind of similar, where it's like, it's a game. It's not as abstract and it's not as focused on the absurd, or, not the absurd, but just the, mindscape of humanity, where like anything can happen. It's more grounded in terms of, it's going to be stories about characters and things are going to happen, but it's very much a game about exploration and talking to people and, seeing what's going on. It's kind of like a city simulator, almost, more so than like a traditional game where you do things. Like there will be a plot, there's things to do, but it's not going to be so heavily about like that plot. It's, like there's a plot. You're going to be following people around, and we're following stories and doing things and helping people, but at the same time it's also an excuse to just kind of vibe in a creepy town, slightly creepy town, and just be like, oh wow, look at this, oh wow, let's go over there, what's this about, ambience. I don't know how I feel about that. It feels like her hair is kind of gray. I guess it is kind of gray, so maybe that kind of works. No fat JRPG combat. Kind of. I had an idea for a like card game that I put in the game called Salvo, where you can like equip different characters and use different moves. It's kind of like a deck builder, like an action deck builder, where like it's like a deck builder, but it's not turn-based. It's more like a active time battle system, like Chrono Trigger or Final Fantasy 6 or 5 or 1. Well, no, I don't know about the earlier ones. I can't remember. But like 5 and 6 and Chrono Trigger had this active time battle where like your bar would fill up, and then when it's full you can do something, but the enemy also has their own internal bar that fills up, and then when it's full they can attack and stuff like that. It's kind of a similar concept, but you can like swap out your moves and stuff like that. So it was kind of like a little mini game. I had it planned and I had it working pretty well, but it's broken now. I'm not quite sure why, so I'll have to fix it, but that might still be in the game, but I don't know. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it and if I'm gonna do it, because that's kind of a, you know, tall order. But at the same time, I don't know, it could kind of work. All right, well that's pretty good. I think we'll call it a day there. I also don't have much more time, but yeah, this is shaping up. I feel like her hair needs to be darker if it's going to be blending that heavily. Can we get like a... I recall the Salvo song slapped. I think you're right. I believe it did slap. Yeah, her hair being gray like that just makes her feel old. Makes her feel a little bit better. I think it's a little too dark, but that kind of works, I think. And like nothing against old people, of course. It's just the character's not supposed to be like really old. She's just supposed to be kind of a normal middle-aged woman, kind of like 40s. Nah, it does not look right. But I can't give her here. I mean, I guess I could kind of do like that a little bit. Nah. I'll just leave it, yeah, leave it like that. All right, that's fine. Okay, cool. Oh, whoops. There we go. This should be attendant. He's just like, oh no. There we go. All right, so I still have to make them like talking and stuff, but for now, we'll just leave that alone. I'm just gonna... Okay, and then we can just duplicate this for the... Cool, cool, cool. So this should work. Okay, so that should kind of work, I believe. Cool. So the couple things we need to do here: employee. That should be attendant. All right. The colors of the dialogue are set by according to the color of the background. So yeah, I think we need to ensure that, like, wait a second. Actually, it might be like the... Yeah, okay, let's do it like this. Hold on. Let's do that. The goon, I think his color is fine. Maybe it could be a little brighter. Attendance probably could be a little brighter as well. Yeah, that's better. Then we can go back to goon. It's fine. Attendant. 2. There we go. Oh. Cool. So that works. So we're pogging. We're pog diddly ogging. Yeah. So we're making progress, dude. This is looking and feeling a lot better. Added some cars here. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, we're just cracking away, dude. This is getting better and better. All right, so one more thing before I forget. Let me head to here and like, actually, apartment buildings are super packed when it comes to parking, so we're just gonna recreate that that aspect of life. That's like actually super frustrating, where parking is just like super bad. Yeah. It's pretty accurate. Winder Liborio says, "Hey, how do you consider yourself, more artist or coder? You seem to excel at both. I'm a good coder, but I struggle to learn pixel art." Oh, thank you. I don't know. I kind of like I like to code. But I like to do art too. I feel like I've done art enough where I feel like even if I'm drawing something and I don't like the way it looks, I have confidence that I can make it look the way I want. So I'm at that stage where not necessarily I'm good, but I consider myself to be capable of drawing the things that I generally want to draw, or modeling the things that I generally want to model. So I'm not really like struggling in terms of like, I don't feel like I am a bad artist, but I feel like I'm a sufficient artist. I feel like if I need to make good art, I can make it well enough, or make art that is like acceptable. I don't know. I consider myself to be both, I guess. I feel like I probably am better at coding than I am at art, because I feel like there's things where I draw, like, oh, I want to draw this, and I'm like, that doesn't look right. I need to do something. It feels off. Whereas coding is like, if I want to make something, I'm generally like, okay, well, what do I need to do to make it happen? Like, I don't feel like I struggle coding as much as I struggle with art. I feel like art is more of a, you have to explore, like an exploratory process, whereas coding is more like, figure out what you want and then just write it. So I feel like I'm better at coding, but maybe I just feel that way because I've been coding for longer than I have been like really sitting down and doing art. Like, I don't sit down and like draw things for fun like I do code. Like, I'll sit down and like code, like Tetra 3D. Like, I was like, oh, I want to make a 3D renderer, and I just sat down and started working on it, and it's been months that I've been working on it, or I had been working on it. Whereas art, like, I don't sit down and just be like, oh, I want to like make a massive 3D scene. Like, that's just, I don't do that. So my art is not as good as coding, I think, my coding, in general, I believe. But this is pretty good. This is pretty good. I'm happy with this result. I'm happy with the game as it stands and looks. And it's just about making content. It's just about making stuff. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be making games. Making games. We'll be making maps and stuff. Maps and scenarios for this game, and it'll be fun. That's what we've been doing, and it's been going pretty well so far. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. I've been SolarLune. I have to go, unfortunately. I'm out of time, but it's been enjoyable, and I hope that you all have a nice day. And thank you very much for watching. If you want to support development, please check out my Patreon and my Itch and Steam pages for Masterplan, which are linked in the description. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side next time. See ya.